Hello friends. So Monday was a workout. First exercise is jumping jack. A jumping jack is a physical jumping exercise performed by jumping to a position with the legs spread wide and the hands going overhead. Next exercise is high knee. High knees is an awesome cardio exercise that works your legs and core while giving you a great cardiovascular move and gets your heart rate up anytime, anywhere. You have to perform 10 repetitions. Very good. Well done. Next exercise is heel kick. This fun move really activates your hamstrings and your butt, leaving you with a stronger lower half. Heel kick are a type of plyometric or jump training exercise. These are powerful aerobic exercises that work your cardiovascular system and boost your muscle strength and endurance using only your own body weight as resistance. You have to perform 10 repetitions from both the legs. Very good. Keep it up. Come on. Next exercise is squats. Start with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. You push your hips back into a sitting position. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel or almost parallel to the floor. You should feel the squat in your thighs and glutes. Pause with your knees over but not beyond your toes. Exhale and push back up to the starting position. All exercises you have to perform 10 repetitions with 5 sets. Next exercise is walking lunges. Walking lunges functions as an excellent exercise to target all the major muscle groups of your lower body while simultaneously improving your balance and core strength. This movement is familiar to the most people. It involves taking wide forward steps, bending both knees and lowering your back knee to the floor while keeping your torso upright and tall. Well done. Well performed. Very good. Come on, guys. Yes. Next exercise is calf raises. Exercise don't come much simpler than the calf raise. Stand up straight, then push through the balls of your feet and raise your heel until you are standing on your toes. Then lower slowly back to the starting position. Yes. Come on. Push yourself. Very good. Yes. Relax. Now, next exercise is crunches. The crunch is one of the most popular abdominal exercises when performed properly. It engages all the abdominal muscles, but primarily it works the rectus abdominis muscle and the obliques. It allows both building six-pack abs and tightening the bellies. This is the best exercise for upper abs. Next exercise is leg raises. Lie on your back legs straight and together. Keep your legs straight and lift them all the way up to the ceiling until your butt comes off the floor. Slowly lower your legs back down till they are just above the floor. Hold for a moment. Raise your legs back up and repeat. Yes, slowly relax. Next exercise is push-ups. The push-up may just be the perfect exercise that builds both upper body and core strength. Done properly, it is a compound exercise that uses muscles in the chest, shoulders, triceps, back, abs, and even the legs. This is a very good exercise for upper body. It increases your arm strength. Yes, very good. Next and last exercise is burpee. The burpee, a squat thrust with an additional stand between reps, is a full body exercise used in strength training and as an aerobic exercises. The basic movement is performed in 4 steps and known as a 4-count burpee. This is our last exercise. You have to perform 10 repetitions. Well done guys. Very good. Very nice.